Okay guys, look at my FC points. It's actually generating, guys. Hello YouTube and welcome to my brand new review. In this review I will show you how I got unlimited FC points for FC Mobile, absolutely free, safe and online, guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have, navigate to this website called AppLoop, then type in search FC Mobile and you will find the online tool. Click there, guys, and I will have to enter our user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here. So let me paste my here. I already copy. Just a second. Let me click continue, guys, and let's see. As you can see, it found and our user ID successfully connected. The next step is select our FC points. So I'll go with the maximum, guys. So let me click continue. And let's see, does it actually work? So guys, if you want to follow the latest tutorial for FC Mobile, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I record more of these and review more websites around this. AppLoop is the best working method for these, guys. AP connected, nice. Just scroll down and click I'm not a robot to verify yourself. Perfect, guys, and now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questions. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start downloading from the official publisher of the app. Or download it, complete the task. Below each task you have description what you have to do. So guys, I will not Travel Town and Underdog Fantasy, so I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along these redirecting tags. Guys, I'm waiting about 1 minute and nothing happened, so let's wait together and let's see the next step. Okay, nice, guys, verification successful. Thank you for passing the boat check. Your FC points are on the way, guys. I'm so excited to test this. Okay, so let me open the game and let's see, does it actually work? So let's see, guys. Okay guys, look at my FC points. It's actually generating, guys. I can't believe it. So that's pretty much it for this review. Thank you for watching and see you in the next. Bye.